Welcome back. In this video we will talk about importing geometry from our data panel, but also some of the other options Fusion 360 has built in. So if you would please, scroll down, find Step 9, Lampshade Fasteners, and open. When your model is open, please leave your data panel open because we will be bringing in this geometry. I will activate my Fastener Assemblies component and click and drag to bring this fastener assembly into my model. Again, I will move it into place in space, and you can see that it's imported as linked geometry. I will hit OK, and we know that we can attach this with a joint to the edge of our lampshade arm here. So I will go Joint, select the edge here, and holding Control, select the center of this circle. You'll notice that my fastener appears to be inside of my lampshade arm. This can sometimes happen when placing joints. If this has happened to you, go ahead and hit the flip icon here to flip your joint around. I'll hit OK, and we can now see the lampshade fastener in place. I'll close my data panel because I would like to show one other way of bringing in geometry to your model. For something like nuts, bolts, and other small parts, we can use the McMaster Carr Library. If I go to the Insert tab and go to Insert McMaster Carr component, the McMaster Carr shop will open. McMaster Carr has created a lot of different geometry that can be directly imported into Fusion 360. I know a couple of things about my model. I can see here that I want to bring in a bolt that is a round head with a hex screw, 20 millimeters long and 5 millimeters in diameter. So I will go Insert McMaster Carr component, and I will go to Screws and Bolts, round-headed, and hex driven. And here I can go to metric, M5, 20 millimeter, and then we can see our options. I will scroll down and look for this icon. This means that there are three-dimensional solid parts in the McMaster Carr Library available for download. You will also see prices and quantities and other things like that in this window. If I go to this component here and select Product Detail, I can scroll down and find this window here. I will change this to a 3D step file and hit Save. This will automatically import a component into my model directly from the McMaster Carr Library. You will see that it has come in with its part number, which can help us if we forget which part we brought in, and you'll see if I open one of my other components, everything in our fasteners assembly has been downloaded from McMaster Carr. Again, these are free to use and free to download. I will not go through the process of downloading the washer or setting the assembly joints, but I wanted to show you that option. So for now, I will hit Cancel and Undo to delete that component. So now, let's go over here, Control-C, Control-V, move our component into place, and I can join my component. I will go Joint, select the inside face here, and again, holding Control, I will select the center of this circle. Notice one more time that I need to flip my component, and I will go OK. I will activate my top component and collapse my fastener assemblies. Go ahead and save your file, and I will see you in the next video.